This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home.